question is, kids, is there an age limit on making a gingerbread house in kit form? Let's put it to the test.
It's an idea. Ooh.
Could you show us your piping bag? Your icing
well, it's not. I haven't got a proper. It's just a freezer bag.
How did you fabricate
and it's
that?
All over me. It's a freezer bag.
We whisked up an egg white.
Furiously.
Mixed in some icing sugar, or in German, Puderzucker.
Oh shit!
What are you doing?
Building.
You're putting a bit of a cocktail stick in there just to nail it in place. Puderzucker there.
I want another one. This is for the kids, but we've got to do this because they can't do this bit. And then when they come round tomorrow night,
we have to make this for the grands.
We've got to make more icing and I can try and decorate it. Or they got to decorate it, but we have to build it first. Previously, we have.
Do you smooth in that icing sugar now to make it, you know,
no, it's supposed to look a bit rough. Oh, what's the matter with you? Right.
See, now we've done these in the past, and they've come ready assembled. We need the other overhang.
Oh, that's got a good overhang, hasn't it?
It's got a big overhang, that is.
Shit.
Well, if it snows. Take it on.
I'm doing a lin as well. I'm getting covered in it. Oh, it's easier to do it this way than what I did earlier, which was just stick it on there.
Okay, well, we're getting there. Look at that. That's icing sugar. That's egg white and icing sugar.
Make sure the tiles are on correctly.
Yeah, the tiles got to be looking the right way.
But I think it's splayed out a bit more than this should be.
Is it be alright?
Oh! The roof's going to slide off.
No. Let's see.
One there, that'll do it there. Yeah. I got contact lenses in, but I can't really see what I'm doing because this is...
That's okay, it makes it more of an adventure, doesn't it? You don't really need reading glasses now.
I do, because if anything closer. Okay, so it's like it's like the house that Timmy built.
Free range eggs from the farm. We bought them the other day, straight from the farm.
Straight from the chicken's bum.
Oh, really?
That's got one heck of an overhang, hasn't it?
Well, it has. It's alpine, isn't it? In case it snows.
I got the tiles the right way around.
Your goats can shelter from the weather underneath there.
Oh, look at that!
If you had any goats.
Right, where's the end of this now? They're supposed to be like a cone. This is definitely not a cone shape. Now you're in my light.
Oh, sorry.
Listen to her.
What are you going to do now?
Stick that on there. Look.
Yeah. Dad, you've got this. Yeah. It's taking shape. Jab it with a cocktail stick.
I don't even know if that's gone right through, is it?
As long as it's just got a small prick in there.
As long as it just holds. That's holding.
Send the actress to the bishop.
I actually really fancy having a big chunk of this gingerbread because it looks really, really nice. But without all the sugar stuck to it.
So it's all solidified, and when we got the kids, pick them up from school tomorrow, and they can come.
What are all those bits I got over there?
I don't know. Let's have a look. What bits?
What?
Are these spare bits that we've got left over?
I don't know if that's supposed to be a fence. Is it or something? Where's the picture? Oh yeah, it's a fence.
Look at the destructions.
Oh yeah. Oh, what about a chimney? I've got a chimney. Oh, is that the chimney? Oh, that's the chimney, is it? That's chimney shaped, isn't it?
Yeah, the chimney's not a massive chimney, you know.
Do you reckon that's right?
Yeah.
It's there's no stick.
Did you have a cocktail stick stuck in your finger then, Dev?
Yes. I did.
You may need two hands on that.
Well, that's difficult, isn't it? Oh, that's fine. That's on. It's on.
That's on, isn't it?
It's on. Okay.
What, does it come with a tree? Well, that's nice.
Tree. Did I say tree, strangely? I say it like I got a lisp, don't I? Tree.
Tree.
Tree. It's a tree.
Tree.
Would one tiny piece of this look like it's missing if I ate it? Don't worry about all the white because this is just snow, isn't it? Because it's going to have more of this on it tomorrow.
Yes, we could give it a dusting of icing sugar or Puderzucker.
Tomorrow.
Sudzucker. It would look like it's been in a blizzard then, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It does say that actually. Brushed up on my German.
Did you?
Yeah, he said, Auf Wiedersehen, Pet, mit das Schnee.
Am I going to stick a door on it?
Look what the man's done there. He's drawn it.
And then the
with
kids
art.
can do all the rest of it?
It always doesn't look like that yet, does it? Go on, Dad, do it.
Because then...
Sketch a door on there.
Oh, come on.
Turn it to be in the light. Do you think you should?
And watch the tree, you're going to brush the tree up.
I'm taking good care of the tree.
Well, that's fine that you can see it, but I don't know what I'm doing now.
Yeah, but you could see it then with the light from the lamp.
Gosh, that's a big... Oh! Don't look too good, does it? Well, theirs don't look much better.
Shape it with a stick.
What I'll do is I'll run
Deb,
that
you've
along...
got this.
I'll run that along the bottom.
Yeah,
so
that's the threshold.
it's so thick now that it's all going to run.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's alright, isn't
What about the keyhole?
it?
Gotta have a keyhole. Who lives in a house like
Well, they kids could stick a sweet on it for that, couldn't they? Yeah.
this? Through the keyhole. That's
Oh my
brilliant,
God.
that is, Deb. I like that. Look at that.
Right, okay, so that doesn't look like there's so much biscuit just hanging there, I'm going to drizzle this down the side so it's like snow.
Oh.
Ah! I have got to leave some of this for
Use your
the
tools.
kids to
Use
do.
your stick. Cocktail stick.
Right, that's
Right.
pretty much, apart from sticking the tree on.
That, do you know what? That's very lifelike.
What about that big dollop there?
Wow, it's taking shape now. If you look at that, they have actually fashioned a window with the icing sugar.
God, you're kidding? I haven't got a piping bag. Well, the kids won't be doing any of this at this rate.
They can stick the jelly tots on. Are there people?
And a little tree and various things.
What's her name?
I have no idea. It's really good value actually. They're about £5 in Aldi.
That's amazing.
And I don't know if they're very Christmassy. And there's other sweets and a pig. I
It's
don't
a
know
magic mushroom.
where's he come from?
Look at
Oh,
it.
he goes up on the
Fairy
roof.
tale.
He goes up there. So
Oh.
I've got to leave stuff for the kids to do.
Yes. Now what are they?
Well,
Why
you just stick them on the front.
are they the windows?
No,
They could be the
no,
windows.
No, they go up there. You could stick them on like a window.
If you put two, if you put one on top of the other.
Should we do that with the beige ones? Because they sort of look like the light is on. Oh God, this is easier said than done, you know.
I would say, if I was 5, that would be a window.
The kids are going to go. But no, Johnny, you've done it!
No, because there's loads of, like, they could put jelly tots on there and little sweets and all that, make it look pretty.
There's a bit of snow on top of the fence.
Yeah. Snowy fence, yeah. Oh. Well done, because I think you're creating art there.
For goodness sake, right, this is for the kids to do, not really for me to do. I should have done it a bit wibbly wobbly, shouldn't I? Is the heating on? Absolutely boiling.
Well, you know, it's hard work building a house. Look at that there. Oh, look at those little people there getting really excited already.
What's wrong with you?
Well, because I'm watching you build a house, they're watching you build a house, and look how excited they are. Look.
Don't know, you're going to make me swear in a minute, you idiot.
Babushka's having a lovely time there, look. Babushka and Babushki.
Right, I think we've got to call this a day and allow the kids to do the rest.
Well, I think we have to, we're getting a bit excited now. Yes, we could call that a day. Chin chin. Oh, look at that. It makes you want to sing a Christmas carol, doesn't it? Take it away, Shaky. Dee 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 doo 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 doo.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun.
'Tis the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh shit. Stuck to me.
It's not, it's icing sugar.
I would say that's that for the
I
kids
think
can
so.
do the rest.
We'll leave that set now. Well, there you have it, kids. The pumpernickel house is now built. Deb's constructed it with her own fair hands.
This is the thing, so how are we going to get on?
She's going to leave it to dry now and set. And then tomorrow when we pick the children up from school...
Yes, I know that, but will the gingerbread itself go soggy?
Oh, je ne sais pas. So Deb, how do you think that went? The construction of the gingerbread house?
Well, it looks a bit pissed.
Is that German?
From this angle?
Uh-huh.
No, it looks like it's falling backwards, isn't it?
Oh,
that's the egg blowing up.
There's an egg in the microwave.
Exploded.
Oh.
I thought I didn't put in for only a minute.
Well, that's eggs for you, Deb, in the microwave. So let's have a look then. How did we do?
Does it look like it's falling backwards, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's looking brilliant. Oh.
Right, so there's those.
How many people live in that bungalow? Is it a bungalow?
There's, well, there's only mum and there's no dad. Oh well, it's mum and 2 kids.
Oh no.
Or maybe that's dad.
What have they done to Dad?
He's up the woods. There's loads.
Pastels,
That's
Smarties. What are those?
They're marshmallows from
Is that
Halloween.
a marshmallow sheep or something?
That's a Halloween.
Sean.
Halloween. Are you eating it?
Yeah.
That's a Halloween thing.
Wow, brilliant, huh?
Here we are then. That's it.
Wow.
That's a sugar rush before bed tomorrow, isn't it?
Makes you want to go down the pub and have a couple of pints of mulled wine.
Dry overnight.
Oh, that's nice. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost
nipping at your nose.
Oh, 'tis the season. That is very cute.
That's one. That's Christmas Day.
All right.
And then I have little tiny poinsettias. Boxing Day.
Oh, concept for Boxing Day.
What do you think?
I like where this is leading.
They're lovely.
Yeah.
I think next year I'm going to make brooches and hair flowers for
Well,
Salamans.
you are very crafty, you Deb.
Well, look at the house I just built mine.
So, there we are then, team. That's constructed. The gingerbread house, the structure is there, just needs to be decorated now.
I wouldn't want to live in it though.
It might be a bit shaky, a bit more like this place. Anyway, what's the routine tomorrow then, Dab?
pick kids up from school, come home.
And check if the icing sugar cement is dried.
Well, take the pins out first, the cocktail sticks, because we
take the cocktail sticks out because we don't.
We are responsible grandies.
Yeah, we're responsible for them tomorrow.
Let the kids have a play with it, and then they'll probably just destroy it. Then I think.
When do we get to eat it?
I don't know.
So that's the routine. That's drying in there.
I'm gonna get myself a Tennessee whiskey.
Oh.
If you haven't tried this, this is lovely. It's the apple one. Our son-in-law introduced us to it, and it is really
Very
nice.
nice, indeed, yes, yes. Yes, we're not sponsored by Jack Daniels yet, sadly. However, Jack, if you're tuning in, then yeah, we're up for that challenge. Anyway, have a fabulous evening, everybody.
Well,
whatever.
it is only 11 o'clock now. We come to life now.
Yeah, we're nocturnal. Right. So, good night and Merry Christmas. See you.
From him, and it's good night from him.
And it's good night for her. So here we are then, team. It's intense and it's fantastic because it's Christmas. The team is here. The gingerbread house has kind of solidified into place. We've removed all the cocktail sticks and now the decorating team is in. Let's see how this is going.
Go on then, stick it down.
Wolfie's going out the door. He's getting out the door. He got out as in he's just gonna get it. We can see that guy's butt actually now.
Oh, we don't look like that guy's bad.
No.
Nicely done, Riv. What's that? Magic mushroom?
No,
just
there's
there?
legs. The legs.
The legs. Look at that. What's that on the top? What is that?
Black pig.
A black pig.
And it has a bottom sticking out.
A black pig with his bottom sticking out.
And stick a bite in him, Papa keeps eating them.
Well, you know, you've got to love a jelly tot, haven't you?
Right.
Time to pick this and the white away.
Right,
Oh, he's gone for it. He's gone for it. Oh, nice roof tiling. That's beautiful.
One more by there, Riv.
That.
Got a blue one in the front by there. Should we get one on there?
Oh.
Can we get one on there?
I will.
Go on then. Right, what's your thoughts on that then, kids?
What is Wolf eating?
Sweets. How's
Look
that?
at that. Is that beautiful?
Yeah.
Wolfie, what's your report on that? What do you think?
I like this side because I did a pattern on
Yes,
it.
explain the pattern. What have you got on there?
So-
How does it run?
Pretzel, round thing. Pretzel, round thing. Pretzel, round thing.
Tell me all about your pattern on your roof.
I like it because it looks beautiful and it's yummy and I like it. I want to eat it right now, but I can't today. So when my mummy's at my house, I should eat it, and then my
The
whole
gingerbread
family
should be
can
really
eat
nice.
it.
Yeah,
And
Right.
that's the end.
Okay, that's a
Goodbye.
lot of detail there, Riv. I think
Goodbye.
we're going to take that in. That's a lot of detail. Here we are, kids. Is that the most beautiful gingerbread house
Yeah. Yeah.
in this whole wide kitchen?
Yes, it's better than. It's the best one we've made.
I think that is the best one we've made.
let's put it in the light by there. There, it's in the light now.